Hey there, welcome back to another Zarco app tutorial. In today's video, we're going to show you how you can host giveaways in your Discord server using the Zarco app. The Zarco invite link is in the description below, so make sure to invite Zarco to your server to get started. Alright, once you're in your Discord server, simply type /giveaway. Then click on the giveaway create command powered by the Zarco app. You can also add required and blacklist roles in the giveaway. Next, enter the command and fill out the giveaway modal with all the details. Then, just click the submit button, and boom, your giveaway has started. Users can now click the join giveaway button to participate. You can also explore other giveaway-related commands to manage or end your giveaway anytime. So that's all simple, right? Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more awesome Zarco app tutorials. See you soon.